We're back. 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 We're back.
Please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe.
We're
trying to reach the goal of 500 subscribers for now.
For now.
We want to get to 500. We just want to see how quick we can get there. We are like 115 somewhere there right now. So please subscribe and watch all the other videos that we have, and don't forget to like. We are reacting to Diamond Platnumz. Koffi Olomide.
Koffi Olomide.
Achii. Okay.
Our African brothers. Shout out.
Let's see. This is one thing I will say.
What?
No matter the economic situation of an African person, like on the continent, whether even abroad, but when they say they are dressing up, you can never take that away. A person can live in a shack, in a hut, in the worst city, but when they say they are dressing up, will fuck you over. You can't touch us with fashion. You won't. You won't.
Le général Dangote, le grand Maman Dangote.
That's a crazy jacket. It reminds me of, it looks like Steve Harvey's jacket to go Kings of Comedy.
Oh, yeah. Jesus, shout out to the production designer and
It's great.
the wardrobe people. Jesus Christ, these clothes.
Didi Santos.
Let's go.
I've seen that before.
What?
That move. Have you ever seen that?
No.
It's like in a video, like it's on TikTok or just social media in general. It's like he's dancing like that. The man viba, cool this keep I shy, man viba, cool the jacket, like gajal.
Wakulia na wemsibani wakukosa kuongeze ama yule wanipenda mkosano nimegoma rafiki yangu pesa
I dropped my mind.
rafiki yangu pesa
Don Fumoy.
Dog.
rafiki yangu pesa Achii Chibu Dangote Yamaji Achii Benz
No one in this music video is please.
Akumbeji Neji Chipolo Asachi Achii
La présidente Maman Samia.
Let's go.
Gaboroki, le président Fachi Beton. Nazi Gito, Nazi Biden, Nazi Sukali, Tobina,
Let's go.
Joseph Mertier. Président Hussein Mwinyi.
I get the lyrics to this video.
Nataka nipatike niache na furaha leo nataka niwe nutuke niache na muti leo nataka nipatike
Nelson Kisanga.
This is our Quavo.
niache na muti leo nataka nipatike niache na furaha leo
And he can dance.
niache na muti leo
Cisco Kitenge.
Kanibeba mambo ni mili, kanibeba mambo agawana,
Kaya yaka, yaka mo, yaka, nakusipati, yaka, nakutalaka, yaka, yaka ko, yaka, bless papa,
Yaka.
daima, bless papa, bless daima. Alifa na lombe, yaka,
Let's go.
mera yoga bien, mera sivila,
Yeah.
mama loba oui, mama loba encore, puissamment, mon pao, le grand mon pao, tifa dangote,
I saw the credit.
mon pao, le grand mon pao, tifa dangote,
Tolex or Folex?
Tolex shot it.
Okay, yeah. This is a great video.
Shout out to Tolex.
This video is great.
Shout out to him.
The fact that it's simple, but it's still
Choreography
clean
is
and
amazing, yeah.
interesting. Just the colors and everything, the set design.
I'm surprised
insane.
Diamond Platinum is not as big. Because this nigga,
But
this nigga's
he's
big.
huge.
Yeah, but he's not as big as, or is international. Let me just say that.
Oh,
As
yeah,
the
it's
other
not
guys.
out of Africa as maybe let's say like a Burna Boy. I think it's more so, but it's also like generally speaking, Nigerians are more popular, and Nigeria as a country is more popular and known than that. Unlike with Diamond Platnumz, because he's from Tanzania, so Eastern Africa always has that. It's not bumped up as Western Africa.
Yeah.
Like, if you think about famous countries in the continent, most people are gonna say Egypt, Nigeria, Ghana. So Eastern Africa is not. There's not a lot of representation, but hey, he's insane, and he's been at the top for a long time. Like Diamond Platinum is a major star. He's a major star. It's just unfortunate that he hasn't worked with like equally bigger artists internationally. But I think as soon as he can, yeah. But I think more than anything, also he doesn't have that like maybe let's say like a hip hop poppy type of connect through the music as a Burna Boy, because you can easily sell Burna Boy or Wizkid through a hip hop meets Afro beats type of thing.
Yeah.
But with Diamond Platinum, he's kind of like a purist at what he does. So I think that's the biggest reason. But apart from that, I mean, like, he's been killing it. He's been killing it.
Yeah, man.
One
Like,
of the stars.
please, guys, we need to react to more African like artists. So
Yeah.
if you guys
Upcoming
like,
ones, different
like
ones.
this reaction, please,
Like, and suggest in the comments
suggest us for some videos,
any video you're going to
please.
watch.
But yeah, please like, subscribe. We release content every day, and yeah, we're open to
Even
suggestions.
now, see after you've done this one, another one is coming in a few hours. So
Yeah,
make sure that you always watch.
we
Always
don't
tune
sleep,
in.
guys. We don't sleep.
Anyway, see you.
Thank you.